Do you guys remember my client with hirsutism? Well, here she is looking great, guys. It's been a rocky road for us. Like, this is where we started, but we are happy. She's been consistent with her waxing, whether it's by me or in Jamaica. She has been consistent with using her oil. She uses the Umber by J. Lene hair reducing fade oil. It's a roll on and it's been working wonders for her. You guys can always check out the TikTok page or Instagram page to see other testimonials and reviews. You will be shocked. And if you want to grab this oil, you can save 10% off with code Waxing Queen. Now I'm using the Sexy Smooth Wax. My client here actually walked in. She wasn't booked. This is all that I had plugged in at the moment. So I just told her I'll definitely try my best because I usually use cream wax on her. It's really good at picking up those thick, stubborn hairs. And that's what hirsutism is, guys. It's basically a condition that makes women grow thick, dark hairs in places where men usually do, such as the face, the chest, or the back. It also has other symptoms as well. Reach out to your dermatologist if you feel like you are someone who possibly has hirsutism. So the wax is also still 53% off, by the way. Don't forget to use code Waxing Queen to save an additional 20% off. My code's only going to be good until tomorrow, so make sure you hop up on there and grab your wax. I'll try my best to get it extended, but you know how it goes. I'm doing opposite direction cleanup strips. I find that best when it comes to removing, these thick coarse hairs when the client has hirsutism, and just try to apply lots of pressure. Don't be afraid that, it's someone's face. You may think you're hurting them. I promise you, you are not. Pressure makes everything feel better. Remove in a stagger-dagger-like manner for best ways to get the most hairs up, and then proceed with cleanups. So using the fade oil, the hair reducing fade oil is pretty simple. It's best if you use it on a clean, dry face. You should rub it in the areas where it's affected and then just massage that in. If you'd like to win one of these oils, all you have to do is share this post and comment below how PCOS is affecting you. And you'll be eligible for a chance to win a free oil on me.